in this right angle triangle, we are to find the area of the bounded region here, the rectangular shaded part. So to easily do this, we have to use a variable to represent the diameter here, to represent the dimension here. So here we can make it x on the x plane, and this is on the y plane, so we have y. Now if this is x, that means here too will be x, and here too will be y. Now this, we should understand that the right angle triangle here, okay, is similar to that which is above here. So that means that the length here, the height here, 6 centimeters, okay, project the height y here. In other way, the length here, the height here, project the height from here to here, that is 6 plus y. So 6 plus y. The same way, the bottom distance x project the bottom distance from here to here, and that is also 4 plus x. So in short, we can use a proportion to solve for the area of this shaded portion. So what we do is we have the 6 is to the bottom dimension x, and that is equals to the 6 project the bigger height from here to here, so that is 6 plus y is to the x project this, so we have 4 plus x. Then we solve using the proportional approach. So we have 6 on x equals 6 plus y on 4 plus x. So we multiply through by the LCM, so we have 6 multiplied by 4 plus x equals 6 plus y times x. So this would be 24 plus 6x equals 6x plus 6y. Oh, sorry, plus xy. X times this plus xy. Okay, xy. So we'll be having this and this alike terms, so you have 24 6x minus 6x, okay, the inverse, so you'll be having 0, so equals xy. So x times y equals 24. When you compare with the region, okay, so the region of this rectangle, the rectangular region, the area of the rectangular region is x times y, which is equals to 24. So the answer is 24 centimeters squared. So 24 square centimeters. Thank you.